Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to enable Control Center on a lock screen on your iPhone iOS 18, basically how you can turn on Control Center for your lock screen. So what you need to do guys, first things first of course, is you need to go to your settings on your iPhone, okay? Then go to Face ID and passcode, okay? If you are using an iPhone with a Face ID or Touch ID and passcode on an iPhone with the home button. And then you want to turn on these options under allow access when locked. So go to this section and you'll find your control center. What you want to do guys is you basically just want to come here and toggle this on, okay? And then you'll basically be enabling your control center. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.